Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 email app not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features, type Mail in search bar. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, type Mail. Click Uninstall. Restart system. Fourth method is click Start, click Store. Type Mail and Calendar. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.